This is Module 3, Lesson 19. We're going to start with, and today we will only be doing a few problems dividing using the standard algorithm. So a reminder with your whiteboards and markers that I want you to have those out, that I want you to pause the video, do the work on your own, and then check it against what I am doing. All right, we're going to start here with 37 divided by 2. 37 is our dividend, 2 is our divisor. So we're going to set that up. Whoops, I need to get my pencil working. We are going to set that up as our division problem using the standard algorithm. When we look at the 2, we're going to see, well, how many 2's are there in our 10s? So we have 3 10s. How many 2's are there in 3? There is 1. So we're going to multiply that 1 times 2, and we're going to bring that down in the 10s. We'll subtract that, and we've got 1 left, and we'll bring down our 1's. And now we're going to ask how many 2's do we have in 17. Well, if you're not certain of that right off the top of your head, you can always count 2, 4, 6, 8 until you get to 16, which would be 8. 8 times 2 is 16. We have 1 left. So in this problem, 37 divided by 2, our quotient is 18, and our remainder is 1. And that's what you should have gotten. Let's look at 2, 45 divided by 3. Again, I want you to turn this off, do it yourself, and then come back and start and unpause. I'm starting over again. I don't know if unpause is really a word. All right, 45 divided by 3. Our dividend is 45. 45, so you should know that. So we're going to go 45. And our divisor is 3. So how many 3's are there in 4? Well, if we think about it, 3 to 4, there's just 1 3. So 1 times 3 is 4. And 4 minus 3 is 1, and that's what's left of our 10s. 1 10 will bring down our 5, and we have 5 1s, so we have 15 now. How many times does 3 go into 15? Well, counting by 3's, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 goes in nice and even 5 times. And when we subtract that, we have nothing left. So our answer here, the quotient, is 15, and we don't have a remainder, so we don't need to do anything at all with that. All right, let's look at this new problem, 26 divided by 4. 26 is our dividend. Oh, I keep forgetting to turn my pen on. 26 is our dividend. 4 is our divisor. Well, when I look at this, I look at the 4. I've got 2 10s here. 4 is not going to go into 2 at all, so I need to look at the whole 26. So how many times does 4 go into 26? Again, if you're not certain, you can count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 28 goes too far, so I need to go with 24. So 4 goes into 26 6 times, and 6 times 4 is 24. When I subtract that, I'm left with 2. So in this particular case, 26 divided by 4 equals 6 with a remainder of 2. And my quotient is 6, my remainder is 2. All right, let's look at this last page here. 58 divided by 3. I'm going to show you a slightly different way to do this problem. And we will go over this more, but I just want to introduce it a little bit here if you have not already seen it. So I'm going to set my problem up this way. I'm putting my 58 inside this, looks sort of like a unit value thing. And we're going to do it this way. How many times does 3 go into 5? Well, how many 3's in 5? There's only 1. So far, still the same. 1 times 3 is 3. This is still the same. And when we subtract, we are left with 2. Now, rather than bringing the 8 down, I'm going to take my 2 up there, and I'm going to put it in front of the 8. So how many times does 3 go into 28? Well, if I do my counting, I know that 3 goes into 28 9 times, and 9 times 3 is 27. And when I do the subtraction there, I'm left with 1. So that 1 that I'm left with is my remainder. So my quotient here, 58 divided by 3, is equal to 19 with a remainder of 1. That is the end of our fluency for today. Have a good day.